In this video, I will teach you how to perform wudu in Islam in 10 simple steps. The first step is the basmalah before performing wudu. The intention to perform wudu is required in the heart, then say Bismillah. Step 2. Wash it off completely hands, including wrists and between the fingers. Repeat this 3 times for each hand. Step 3. Rinse the mouth. Using the right hand, put a small amount of water into the mouth, swirl around, then expel and repeat 3 times. Step 4. Sniff water into the nostrils as far as possible with the right hand, and then sniff it out with left hand and repeat 3 times. Step 5. Wash the face from forehead to chin, left earlobe to the right earlobe, making sure the whole face is washed, and also repeat 3 times. Next step. Wash the 2 arms up too, and including the elbows, hand, and between the fingers. Begin with the right arm and repeat 3 times for each arm. Step 7. Wipe the head with wet fingers starting at the fringe to the back hairline and back the same way all in one movement. And then we move to step 8. Simultaneously wipe the insides of both ears with index finger and the back of the ears with the thumbs. Step 9. Wash the feet, including the ankles and between the toes. Begin with the right foot and repeat 3 times for each feet. Finally, after wudu, say Ashhadu an la ilaha illallah wa ashhadu anna Muhammadan abduhu wa rasuluh. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed the video and learned something new. Don't forget to share the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.